Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Chelsea Priest.
Waking up early this morning with some really dense fog in place across the area. You're looking at visibility less than a mile for so many locations this morning. Half a mile visibility in Smithfield, 3/4 of a mile visibility here in Providence, 1/4 mile visibility in Newport. So dealing with that dense fog through the morning. There's an advisory in place until 7 a.m. But even beyond this dense fog advisory, when it expires at 7 a.m., I think a lot of the day today we're going to be dealing with some patchy fog, and it will be dense at times. It's overall just a really overcast, damp, dreary day ahead of us. The one positive is that it is quite mild, sitting in the upper 50s early this morning. 58 in Providence, 58 in Newport, 59 in New Bedford, way above our average low of 42 degrees for a morning temperature, closer to our average high of 61 degrees. And we do come up into the mid to upper 60s later today after hovering around 60 degrees yesterday. Breeze is coming in very light out of the east to the northeast right now, only around 5 miles per hour. We continue to see this wind direction for much of the day, but it does stay relatively light. Not expecting a lot of wind outside today. Just a cloudy, damp, dreary day ahead of us. We don't necessarily tap into any heavy rain showers, but we'll continue to see mist and drizzle throughout the day today through tonight, and then another batch of some heavy rain may be possible tomorrow. There's quite a bit going on the satellite radar image. A cold front well off to our west, and also the potential for some tropical activity out towards Bermuda. There's a moderate risk of this area where the X is kind of right over Bermuda right now of becoming a next tropical system, and that may bring some moisture our way as we head through tomorrow and into tomorrow evening. What we're looking at hour by hour is a lot of clouds around today, some mist, some drizzle, some fog throughout the entire day. We're not going to get much sunshine today. As we head through tonight, we continue to see the clouds, the mist, the drizzle, the fog outside continuing into tomorrow morning. And then by about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, you can see some heavier rain moving in from the coastline. And we're going to continue to deal with the potential for some heavier downpours through the morning tomorrow into the early afternoon, especially for areas farthest off to the east, as it is a coastal system that's impacting the area. Still a lot of clouds around as we head through Wednesday evening, but by Thursday, we're finally back into some sunshine. It'll be mild on Thursday before much cooler weather moves in. In terms of rainfall, you can see as we make our way through tomorrow and into Thursday morning, when this goes out till about 48 hours from now, areas to the west picking up another 1/4 of an inch. But as we look through areas farthest off to the east, the potential for 1 to 2 inches of rain in the coming days, that really focuses in through tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon for far eastern Mass. Today, we're not getting into the heavy rain. We have fog, we have sprinkles, and overcast conditions. Temperatures topping out in the upper 60s. Tonight stays overcast with the fog and sprinkles still in place. And then as we head into tomorrow, that's where we have scattered rain in the forecast. Heavy for some, especially focusing in on far eastern Mass as we head through tomorrow with the heavy rain. We look at Thursday's forecast. We're gradually clearing out. Temperatures will be around 70 degrees still, but from there, sunshine continues. We are much cooler on Friday, and the cooler weather will stick around through the weekend. Casey?